In the last video we have learned if you haven't watched my previous video, go check out the description for the link. This section informs you about the playhead location or the selection or the length of the selection. This is called main counter and it shows you location of the playhead over the time. This is called edit selection start. When you have selected something, it shows you the start of the selection, which is 5-1 now, 5th bar, 1st beat, and end of the selection is on 10th bar and 3rd beat. So the total length of the selection is 5 bars and 2 beats. If you zoom in, you can count it. This is 5, this is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 2 because I have set the grid value as 2. 5 bars and 2 beats. This section lets you divide time unit into respective divisions. As in, we are in bars and beats. So when I select quarter notes, it makes 4 divisions of 1 bar. When I select 8 notes, it makes 8 division of 1 bar. When I select 16th note, it makes 16 divisions of 1 bar. When you open a new session, the default value is on quarter notes. Grid value and nudge value works only when the Pro Tools is in grid mode. When it is apart from grid mode, something like slip, shuffle or spot, the grid value doesn't work. If you are a music producer or music enthusiast, you may know what is tempo, what is meter and what is bars and beats, right? So this section is mainly for the Midi controls. As in, this section lets you set the tempo of the session, meter of the section while double clicking on this meter. Let's not talk about Midi controls right now as we are not dealing with any editing or mixing sessions. We'll learn about that in future videos. To get updates about upcoming videos, do subscribe to our channel, hit bell icon for the notification. Now coming back to the Pro Tools, I want to make you understand some of the shortcuts which are useful for the editing or handling the Pro Tools sessions. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, you can use R and T, which will let you zoom in and zoom out horizontally on the track, and it works on Windows and Mac too. While holding Option and scrolling up and down, it does the same job. If you want your cursor to go to the start position of the track, as in 0 or 1st bar, you can hit the enter and it will go to the start of the session. If you want to zoom in the audio waveform, which will not increase the gain of the audio clip, you can hold Option and Command and bracket. If you want to bring back the audio waveform to the standard zoom value, you can hold Control, Option, Command and bracket left. When you are zooming in or zooming out the audio waveform, it will not change the audio clip gain. When you want to move your audio clip without using grabber tool, you can use lesser than or greater than key on the keyboard, which will let you move the audio clip to left or right. You can do the same but in greater values while holding M and question mark key, which will let you move audio clip in bigger values. When you are using greater than or lesser than keys on the keyboard, you are using nudge values to move the clip, When you are using M and question mark keys on the keyboard, you are using grid values to move the clip. This section lets you understand the total area occupied by audio clips or MIDI clips inside the session. When there is a gap on the audio track, it shows you gap here. This shows you timeline with respect to bars and beats, minutes, seconds, time code, tempo of the session, as well some of the markers.
Markers can be added by clicking on this plus symbol or by pressing enter key on number pad.
Markers is used for some notes where you want to use some marker as in start of the beat. You can name it end of the beat. So this is used for the markers. You can see the markers and you can just click on that. The playhead will go to that marker location. You can hold option and click on that marker to delete the marker. This section is called edit window view selector, and it shows you the main component of the session, which is your audio track name, audio track color, total number of inserts on that track, total number of sends on the track, IO section of the track as in input and output, volume of the overall track, the panning of the track, you can hold option and click on the pan value. It will go to 0, as in it will come down to the center. This section indicates you the total level of the audio clip. When the audio is clipping, as in it's going above the 0 level, this indicator will turn into red and it will show you that audio clip has been clipped. One thing I want to tell you guys that when you are using Pro Tools, make sure that this section is lit, as in it's in yellow color. When it is grayed out, no shortcuts will work. It's better if it is lit so that you can use all the shortcuts. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope this video makes you understand the way Pro Tools works and some of the basics of the Pro Tools, which will let you use Pro Tools in better way. If you have liked this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this video to your friends and family who wants to learn audio editing. Keep following this channel to watch newly uploaded videos. If you have doubt about any section of this video, do comment in the section. I'll make sure that I'll make you understand that part of the video. Thanks for watching guys. Sign off.